ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michael Cross, and my brother, Dylan Cross. Say hi, Dylan.
Hello, folks.
He's going to do his version of the most annoying sound in the universe. We got this idea because earlier today we were watching Dumb and Dumber, and they did the most annoying sound in the universe. We thought this was pretty funny, but Dylan's is more annoying. So, you might want to cover your ears or leave them open like this because he's more annoying than Fred and Annoying Orange combined, in my opinion. So, I will hand you guys over to Dylan to show you his imitation of the most annoying sound in the world.
Go. All right, hey, ladies and gentlemen, please put your arms, please sit back and enjoy the video. Put your arms and legs together. If you're on the couch, please sit back and please relax, all right? You want to hear the most annoying sound in the universe? Hurt my knuckles.
He did that because he's also a fan, like Family Guy, like as well as I am. So, if you like Family Guy, search that for the next video. If you don't see one of mine and you want to watch it. Bye, folks. Tune in for the other two videos I've made. The Rebels Secret Tree Fort Base and Dance Party.
Dude, come on. Let's watch.
So if you want to see more, just go and type in on Google or Bing or whatever, type in Crazy Psycho 1216, and you will be able to see all of my YouTube videos. Okay, later.
Later, folks.
Bye now.